So let's call this one less and more. When you see this, I mean, obviously this is more than and this is more than or equal to, but I'm asking how many strokes are we making? Here we got two, 1, 2. Here we got 1, 2, 3. We're using more ink. That's the idea on this one. More ink, less ink. So if there's a number line, you're going to see with 2 strokes, tuk, tuk, you only get 1 empty circle. And so then when you have more equal to, more than something and equal to, so it's more ink and they've got more to fill into the spot. And the same thing happens if this was like less than. This is still a less than, and this is a less than or equal. Because it has more strokes, there's more ink. Now, I wanted to ask you something about lines. This is a full line, and this is not a full line. So for me, one has more ink, right? More ink. The other one has less ink. So because this has 1, 2, 3 strokes, and this one has only 1, 2, this one has fewer, less ink, and so it's broken, they say, or it's a dashed line. Now, what we're missing here is a certain important information. When it says more than, it's going to be on the upper side. If it says less than, y is less than, it's on the lower side. It's a nice rule. If y is going to be less than this line, it's going to be down here. If y is going to be more than whatever the x is, it's going to be up here. So that's why we like to say under when it's y is less than something. And then it's going to be over or above, and it's a continuous line because of the extra line here. Again, if it's dashed, there's less ink. There's more ink. There's more of these. So when you have less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, it's a solid line. If it's less than or greater than, no equals, it's like that. Thank you. Just a final word. These beautiful designs come from Amelia in Laguna in Brazil. Look at that, hand painted with bows. I mean, you take an ordinary towel and then you add this panel, and then this is, look closely at that. That is painted. I'm a proud owner of this handmade towel.